The import and execute Clash script will allow you to import and run Clash tests written in Excel to your model in Navisworks. Open BIMflow and select Workflow Management. Create a new job and give your template a name. Right-click on the job and go to Design Workflow. Then load from file and select the XAML file. Let's step through this BIMflow. This script is set to run in an open model in Navisworks. Then BIMflow will import a Clash test and then run the Clash test. The right line will detail the activity BIMflow is up to and display that in the monitor. Let's select variables and apply the framework. For the Excel Clash test field, press Shift on the file, then right-click and copy file to path. Paste that location with the file type. In the Excel sheet, ensure the right Excel tab is noted. Let's have a look at the Excel Clash test. We have the test name followed by the fixed fields for test type, test tolerance, and Clash selection. You can elect to have search sets noted if applicable to your selection. Then we have Clash Selection A versus Clash Selection B. As noted, you will need to have the model open in Navisworks for this script to run. However, you can add in a get file activity for BIMflow to open the model for you. Save the BIMflow and press Run. The monitor will appear to update you on the progress with notes from the right line. This is now complete. I will open Clash Detective and you can see the Clash tests have been applied.